Remember my friend Audrey? Well, she bleached her hair again. And she got a little mistreated. Her curls are gone, but with love and technique, we are going to bring them back. We are going to do a deep cleansing with this shampoo with an amount like this. Try to put enough because we are going to massage the scalp and the length of her mane. We rinse and put a cascade of protein strand by strand. In this way, for best results, thermal caps. Leave on for half an hour and rinse thoroughly. It still feels dry, so let's put this repairing and super moisturizing conditioner ideal for bleached hair throughout the length of your mane. Leave on for 3 minutes and rinse. We are going to style with Cativa Keratin Cream to give strength, shape, and structure. We apply Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer throughout the length of your mane. It also has protein, lots of oils, and is moisturizing. And we're going to go through the detangler brush like this, strand by strand. See how they're coming back, it's looking better. We're scrunching over here with the head from one side to the other side, and there goes the trick to maintain the hydration gel. And we put 3 drops of oil, yes, like this. We mix and caress. We scrunch again. We're going to blow dry and hello, curls back. I like it. They look so much more alive, healthier, happier. I love that smile. I hope it works for all the bleached manes out there.